Welcome back. So in the last episode, in the last video, we installed everything and we could see our app already working. All right. So next, we need to make some style. We need to make our own style. All right. We need to make it beautiful. So here I have some tips for you. All right. Uh, of course, you can do your own, like I said before, or you can just copy something that is internet, or you can use as an inspiration, right? There are tools out there that copy the website exactly how it is. I don't think it's super ethical to do that because someone did that design and put a lot of work on that. But for use as an inspiration, I don't see any problem. So this is more or less what we're gonna do right here. All right. So you can use Dribble, right? It's a very good one. So just type Dribble on Google, and here you can type, I don't know, whatever you want. If your website gonna be a gym website, for example, right? You just type gym website, and you're gonna find a lot of beautiful designs for websites, right? Look at this one; it's pretty cool. You can. This one is also pretty nice. Uh, right? If you want something more simple like that. So you're gonna find right here. Let's say you want to do a SaaS, a service as a subscription, right? If you need a dashboard, if you need a CRM or something, you can just click here, all right? Uh, you can also find on Behance. This website also has a lot of good designs, right? So you can just click here in graphic design. I think no, it's not here. It's where is it? Yeah, all right. So you can just type here, and you can find also some nice examples for you, nice inspiration. Look, one here, very, very beautiful. Okay, or you can of course use Google, all right? You can always also use Google. You can type here, for example, course app, course web app inspiration, and you also can find some inspirations right here for a website. Okay, this is for cell phone. But this is very nice as well. Okay, I found mine on Dribble. It's already here. So when you find the website that you want to use as inspiration, that's exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna take a print screen of the website. Okay, I'm just gonna take this first part. Perfect. And you're gonna come back to cursor. Right? Remember we left like this, and you're gonna come here in the composer. Remember, never the chat, always the composer. You're gonna paste right here the picture, all right? And you're gonna say, "Hello, Cloud." Always be polite with AI. Hello, Cloud. Please, please analyze deeply this picture I am sending. This picture, no, this is screenshot I am sending, and replicate using it as inspiration. Add a footer. The footer is the bottom part, which is not in the picture here, but I want one, so I ask him to add a footer. Be creative and change things a little bit, right? If you don't want to change, you can just say copy exactly how it is, all right? So this is what we're gonna do. So now basically you're gonna take this image, and you're gonna change our page, all right, that it was like that, and you're gonna see the difference. Let me close the other one here. It's creating. As you can see, there's a lot of effort to create a website like that. Now it's editing our document. Remember that sometimes it's gonna ask you to install some stuff right here, right? So just open another terminal. And again, I don't know why, but it's adding this dash UI. So just remove it and install it. It's asking to press enter. It's asking define already this override. Just type yes. Oh, card. I think we already did this, all right? That's why it's asking to override. Yeah, we did for the button and for the card already. So it's probably, yeah, it's probably gonna ask. Okay, I don't know why it's asking to do it again. Yeah, I see that there's an error here. Let's see why. But okay, let's just click save and let's just run our app. All right, so as you remember, npm run dev. You can always close the last ones right here. You don't need all. You don't need a lot of consoles open, terminals, sorry. Same thing, I'm gonna click here. And oh, look at this. Our website is looking beautiful already. All right, so let's compare with the picture that we sent. Yeah, to be fair, it's pretty similar. I didn't want to use so similar like that, but yeah, as you see, it added a footer right here. All right, yeah, it did very, very, very similar. There's some differences, but it's very similar. Okay, so, but we're gonna change things a lot here, all right? Don't worry, I'm not replicating this awesome website. We're gonna do our own. We just wanted to have a base. So as you see, these buttons already work. Everything here works. It's not coded yet. There's no code behind it, all right? It doesn't do nothing yet. It's just static, but we're gonna work our way. So now the first thing that when I see this page, the first thing that I see is that this one here is slightly better because you have some effects on the back here. It's not white, it's kind of gray and some effects. I kind of like it, so I'm gonna ask to change this as well. So let's just say perfect. It's working. Please change the white background to a light gray and add some animations in JavaScript. Be creative. Let's see what he does with that. If we don't like, I'm gonna teach you how to roll back. So it's asking us to install something right here, probably for the animation that I asked. So same thing, we're gonna close this one right here. We're gonna open a new terminal and we're gonna install what he asked us to install. We have an error. Let's see something. Yeah, it's not installing this one here, so we're gonna copy the error and we're gonna paste right here. Now it's applying the changes. It finished. So it didn't ask us to install anything. I think it decided to use just CSS instead of another library. So let's again run our program to check how it looks like. All right, I don't see any animation, but at least it's light gray now. It's better. I actually like it a lot now. Now it looks way better. I don't see any animation though. Oh, it added animation here on this button. I see. I see. I think, okay. I see there is animation right here on the button. It's pretty nice. Look, there's animation on this button as well. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with that. All right. Now, since I'm gonna have a video right here, I'm gonna ask to, no, not to remove. I'm gonna just ask to add a video after this. All right. I'm gonna take here on YouTube any video for now.
All right, let's start.
I'm gonna take any video here for now.
So,
This one, for
what is
example.
the difference?
And I'm gonna ask, add the video below this phrase right here. Center it. Okay, let's see how it's gonna do it. Here we go. So you see, I have the video right here already. It's exactly what I wanted. Okay, so next thing, I won't bother right now to change the texts, all right, for whatever we're gonna use here. To don't spend time with that. Let's go for the hard part right now. Now the first thing that I want to do is in this website is to create a Google login. All right, so I want that this button right here, the person clicks and login with Google, right? So let's end this video right here. As you see, I created a website. It's already working. I teach you how to use a print screen. It doesn't need to be a print screen of an actual website. It can be just a design, for example, and or made on any application, Photoshop or Canvas. It can be a PDF or anything. All right, the website is already working. Next, on the next video, we're gonna create the button. All right, that is gonna make us log in with Google. All right, because we're gonna need the authentication here, right? We need to know who is our customer. In this case, you. So the button that you use to log in this website, if you're watching this, this is what we're gonna do next in the next video. So see you in the next video.